ma'am, I'm here. We are starting conversation again. So
Okay.
good evening, ma'am. First of all.
Yes, very good evening. And I am happy to see you again.
Okay, same here, ma'am.
That day I couldn't record my video. But how did it happen? You record the video.
Yes, actually, I have one application, and with the help of that application, I recorded the video.
Okay, so what's name?
I think a record. I can't proper name, but I don't know, ma'am, proper name. So first of all, I check. Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Let it be.
Okay.
Yeah. So how is your practice going on?
Actually, this time I have lots of work, and I have practice as well. But sometimes I am very busy.
Yeah, same here. Because all festivals are in the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm also going on busy. But anyhow, I try to manage our conversation. One session at least I try to every day.
Okay.
One conversation, but not more than that because it is not possible these days.
So actually, this times also I am trying to have the conversation daily with other person as one person.
Yeah, I watched your video with Anisha and with Pooja.
Yes.
Yeah, and Anisha with Anisha.
Yes.
Yeah, because Anisha has uploaded maybe that video with on her channel.
Yes. So, actually, ma'am, do you have any topic to discussion? Because I have a topic related to speaking English. Because should be important. I think is the important grammar or not for speaking English.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I have one little question.
Okay.
And after that we discuss that topic.
Actually, please can you repeat?
I have one little question. First, I ask that question. After that, we will discuss about grammar is important for speaking or not.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am.
So both topic we will cover. Okay.
Okay.
So my question to you, you know about aloe vera. Aloe vera.
Yes.
Aloe vera is very common plant these days. So I want to know about from you. Do you know how to use aloe vera and how many ways we should use?
Actually, ma'am, this times I am not using the aloe vera, but when because I was unmarried person, so then I used a lot for my skin.
Yes, that's why I am asking that question because everyone aware about it.
Yes.
Not more, but little bit everyone use and everyone know about it.
Yes.
So how to use? How did you use?
Actually, then I used at night in my face. Yes.
Okay.
Because that I applied at night.
What is the reason? For what purpose did you use?
Actually, ma'am, I wanted to clear my skin, fairness. I think fair skin. I wanted.
Yeah, somebody use for glowing face. Someone use for cleaning, and
Yes.
like a cleanser. And someone use for tight skin. They want to glowing skin. Yeah.
I think aloe vera is very useful for everything. If you fall your hair, so then you will use aloe vera. You can use aloe vera.
Not only on hair and beauty, traditional earlier people use the aloe vera traditionally to treat their skin and their injuries and biting of the insects and improve their digestion system because it has many properties and many properties, healing properties there.
Yes.
So that's why people used to use that aloe vera. But that time in 80th centuries, that time people know aware about it too much because there is no social media.
Okay. So actually, yes. Now I want to ask a question. Why did you ask kind of this question about aloe vera?
Because people are using a lot these days.
Yes.
everyone aware about it. So that's why I'm asking. Only I heard around surrounding me about it, or everyone use. Because
Yes, yes,
I nowadays Patanjali's aloe vera gel is very famous.
yes,
You know,
yes.
and
But I'm
someone
getting, yes,
apply
yes,
on their hair, and
yes.
someone eat for digestion, someone for weight loss. People using this for weight loss too. So
Actually,
that's why I asked that question, because this is
okay.
related to our life.
Yes, yes. I think it's very important plant
Yes,
for everything. Yes.
yes.
So I think I have grown this plant, aloe vera.
Yeah, I have this plant. So people use this is my experience for eczema.
I don't know
Eczema, it means a type of ringworm.
type of.
Ringworm.
Okay, okay,
It's
okay. Yeah, yeah.
ringworm.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And many way it is using these days. Earlier also, but people didn't aware about it, because there is only mouth publication.
Yes.
It is not a new thing. It is not. This is a unique plant, and but in earlier people use traditionally that. Yeah.
Yes.
But these days it is in trend. Everyone spoke about this
Yes.
yellow villa. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's jump into the question.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So,
Thank you. Second
yeah,
point.
that is the important grammar or not?
Grammar is also important for speaking, and somewhere grammar is not important too.
Yes.
Because if you know basic grammar, just only need to know past, present, and future,
Yes.
and can, could, should, have to. This is basic grammar, and if you know all this, it is enough to start your speaking, and gradually we will grab other grammar part while you're speaking. But this is most important for start your speaking.
Yes.
Yes.
I
But
think
yeah,
according to me. Yes, yes.
yeah. But if anybody can say proper grammar is most important for full every time speaking, start speaking. So it is, I think, not required too much. Only basic grammar is important.
Yes, yes. I think according to me, grammar is not more much important.
Yes.
Important is speaking. Actually, I know some part of grammar is important as a tense and passive. Some rules related to grammar. But I think when I started learning English, so that time I learned everything related to grammar. But when it comes to speak with other person, when it comes to speak with myself, so that time I couldn't speak English. So then I started learning and speaking as having the practice with myself. So then I started speaking.
Yes,
I
you know,
could speak. Yes.
for speaking, only basic grammar is needed. When you comes to speak, only basic grammar almost used there.
Yes.
Used there. If you talk about deeply grammar, it is not required.
Yes, yes. I think you can learn as a child.
Yes.
Child doesn't know any vocabulary, any words related to his native language. But a child observes every person. So then a child starts speaking his native language. So I think I should learn like child.
Yes, you are right. But here one difference is here between child and grown-up people. Grown-up people have sense to criticize the people and feel hesitation.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
And because of that, they have no sense like a child. So they stop their journey and they feel hesitation to speak with others. They don't develop. They have no mindset. We are learning this language, so we should create ourselves like a child. We ignore and we don't care. So this sense, if once you have developed, nobody will stop you to speak.
Actually,
Yes.
child doesn't care about other person.
Yes.
But people say about child, because child try to speak and observes every person, and child try to speak to be better.
Yes, but people don't observe and don't criticize the child. That's why child has time everyone except his
Yes.
childhood. because he is a child, nobody will tell him whether is wrong, whether is right. But when elderly people make a mistake, that time people criticize them, pulls their legs. So that's why neither they motivate them nor
Yes.
they teach them, but they started criticizing, and that problem maybe everyone facing.
Yes.
But a person who
Yes,
a
ma'am,
person
every
who
learner have a problem
yes, but
related.
a person who avoid it, they don't care, they don't focus on others. That
Yes.
person, yeah, that person will create and something new, like they have completed their journey.
Yes.
And a person with shy nature, that person stop their journey.
Yes, yes. Actually, all the learner have a problem, and all the learner think something like this. Because when I started speaking as every language, so that times I will be criticized by other peoples.
You are right.
So I think this is a very big problem, but this problem is not big problem. I think this is our thought.
But
All
you
the
know,
times I think yes.
these days people on this platform, so they don't care about that. Because why? Because they get an atmosphere. So
Yes.
they get atmosphere, everyone like everyone on the same boat. So people are opening themselves here,
Yes.
you know. And if anybody alone here, so they have hesitation, they feel,
Yes.
because they have no environment.
Yes. Yes.
Environment is the most important. If you have a circle, as all the people are the same there,
Yes.
so you also open with them. And if only alone they want to you try to break something and create something new, that is very difficult.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we are like all are in the same boat. That's why we feel very happy and we enjoy our journey.
Yes, I think enjoy this process because
Yes.
you are learning and you are learning new things.
This is
So
the yeah, you catch many things from others and others catch from us. Each other, we catch each other's words. Something you speak right way or something new words. So when I listen after that session, I catch that word.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, this times I am speaking, but I don't care about any mistake because this times I am making the mistake and I am being the wrong. So I think because my opinion only try to be better in English because I want to be fluent in English, and I think something like this I will not think about because I am making the mistake, and I will not think about other person because I know I am learning. So
Yes.
when you start speaking initially day it happens.
Yeah, everyone making mistake in their initial days, but gradually they grasp many things and they become habitual to speaking, and that way they can improve. But if you don't get environment on this platform, whatever that already I have told you, so we are not open. Somebody, only few people have courage
Yes.
courage to speak like that. But many people feel shy and hesitate. But when
Yes.
people watch our video, they
Yes.
motivate from that. If that person can do, so why I can't?
Yes. Actually, when I started, when I start speaking with myself, so then I start speaking very well. I can speak very well. But when it comes to speak with other person, when we try to speak with other person, so that times I get confused and hesitation because of some hesitation and under of confidence, lack
No,
of
not,
confidence.
not like that. When we speak ourselves, so we only speak whatever we think according to our choice.
Yes.
We know how, what I will go to say next sentence and next story or whatever you speak. But other person suddenly they ask you are not habitual answer them. That's why you confused and you started thinking ki what should I speak, and sometimes we don't get proper word.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it is happening. Otherwise, everybody superior for speaking themselves, because I know my sentence, my word, how to create it.
Yes.
But-
Yes.
But if you ask me any question and I am not able to create according to your answer, according to your question, so that's the problem, and that we should improve here
Yes.
by listening others. Yeah. Because alone, if you practice alone at home, it is not work. Only your thought is around you. in your mind. But when you talk to other person, so you gradually grasp their knowledge too. And both sentences mixed together, so you also learn how to mix the sentences, how to answer the others, how to ask the question. So many things, here you create a moment for 20 minutes, half hour or 15 minutes. That way is very easy to improve your English. Otherwise, many people, they have joined any group and they created that atmosphere on audio call. Still, they are not able to face others on the camera.
Yes.
Audio call is very easy.
Yeah, I have experienced. I have experienced because when start speaking with the other person, help of audio call as a application, so that time I can speak very well. But when I started speaking in front of other peoples and face to face, so that time I get stuck. So then what should I say? So that time my mind totally blank. So I think it happens initially, yes.
Yeah, but when you are learning from your starting your beginning, you face a camera and talk face to face on video call. You not need to feel hesitation actually. But somebody think about that. If I will improve little more and I become much more fluent, then I will go on that platform.
Okay. No,
so that is a mistake according to me, because first you learn on audio call, it is okay. But if you start speaking from your beginning on the video call, it is more beneficial than audio call.
Yes, ma'am.
No, because your facial expression, body language, your accent, and understanding others' thoughts, many things you can get at the same time.
Yes, ma'am. I think this thing is very important. I think this application, this platform is very good for me because as well your confidence will be increased.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. So now it's time to wind up.
I think my battery is being the dead.
Okay. So I hope nice to talk to you. I hope we will meet again very soon.
Okay, ma'am. Nice to talk to you. So definitely I will meet up next time for having the conversation.
Yeah.
So,
yes.
Okay. So thank you, ma'am. Bye.
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 Thank you connecting me on time.
Okay. Same here, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.